Have you noticed something? A lot of women look pretty good through their 30s, and then somewhere after 40, it's like their face suddenly drops. Not a slow, graceful aging, not one wrinkle at a time, but a shift. The jawline softens, the cheeks feel heavier, everything looks lower. Why does that happen? Today, I'm going to explain it from a structural perspective, not just the skincare, not just the collagen, but what's really happening underneath. Most people think facial sagging equals collagen loss. Facial sagging means just getting older, but that's only the surface explanation. Your face is not just the skin, it's a layered structure, including skin, fat pads, fascia, muscle, and bones. When we are younger, the bones provide strong structural support. Fat pads sit higher on the face. Fascia has good tension. Everything is lifted and supported upward. The face isn't tight because of cream, it's tight because the structure is intact. But after 40, three key changes start happening. And together, they create what feels like a sudden collapse. First is bone density changes. As we age, facial bones subtly shrink and lose volume. It's not dramatic, but even small reduction in bone support affect the entire structure of it. Less foundation, less lift. Second, deep fat pad descent. Here's something most people don't realize. Fat doesn't just disappear, it moves. Deep facial fat pads begin to shift downward due to gravity and structural weakening. That's one of the reasons the jawline blurs, nasolabial folds deepen, and the lower face looks heavier. It's displacement, not just loss. Third, fascia tension decline. Fascia is the connective tissue that wraps our muscles and links our entire body together from head to toe. Then, when fascia loses elasticity and tension, it can't hold the structure the same way. The face no longer feels supported, so naturally it drops. When those three things happen at the same time, it feels sudden, but it's not sudden. It's structural accumulation reaching a tipping point. And for many women, that tipping point happens right around 40. A lot of women think if I just massage more, lift more, use better products, it will fix it. But if you don't understand which structural phase you are in, you might be working against your own face. Recently, I've received some messages say, my face suddenly sagged, massage made it worse, or what technique should I use or how to do it. The truth is, I can't give one universal answer because structure matters. So I created something to help. It's called 40 Plus Facial Structural Self-Assessment. It helps you determine the degree of facial collapse and which structural pattern is dominant for you. Are you more support dominant, fat pad descent dominant, or fascia laxity dominant? Before you train, you assess. If you don't understand your structure, you can't choose the right strategy. You simply enter your email and the assessment will be sent to your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. There are two parts in this assessment. The first one is facial collapse assessment. The second one is structural dominance pattern test. You mark 1 for each statement that applies to you. Then your total score will be calculated. Then match your score to the explanation. Simple but powerful. Now let me leave you with this. If structure doesn't change, no skincare product, no matter how expensive, will solve the root issue. Blindly pulling, pressing, or over-massaging can actually accelerate sagging. Everything on the surface reflects a deeper structural mechanics. If you truly want to improve from the root, start with assessment. The link is in the comments. And if you're wanting to share your results, send them to me. It helps me create more targeted videos for you. Thank you for your messages and emails. They genuinely inspire my videos. I'm looking forward to your feedback. I will see you in the next video.